How many apples are here? Well, some of you may say, it's simple, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know why you are making a separate video about this, I mean, it's obvious. And yeah, that's only fair, I mean, I could just end the video right there, but then how am I gonna get this sweet, sweet money from the ad revenue, even though I'm not monetized? Wait, what were we talking about? Oh yeah, right. Recently, I found some opinions on the internet stating that there are 3 apples in fact. When asked to elaborate, the person mentioning this said it's simple. 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. This is not how you math. But first, in order to explain why this is not how you math, we'll have to explain why this may be how you'd math. And in order that, we'll have to talk about indexing.
The process of indexing is really simple. You just take a couple of items, apples in this case, and you just index them. Now in indexing, you do really start from 0, going 0, 1, 2, 3. But why? Why would you go 0, 1, 2, 3? Well, it's because of memory and computer science. You see, in computer science you have memory, this magic thingamabob where you save your data. Now let's imagine, for example, a game where you'd have some characters, and you want to save their HP. The way you would do it is really simple. You would just take their HP and save it. Problem solved. Except, here's the thing, memory isn't dedicated to your single game, and other programs also want to use it. And also, for reasons which I'll just omit for now, in that memory of yours, it wouldn't just be a couple of numbers, only one really long string of numbers with values from every single program currently running. Now this presents us with a problem. How are we supposed to remember where our numbers are? Now we can think of memory as a single number with just many digits. Each and every single one of these digits is also indexed with its very own address. So you could just remember where are these numbers in memory by saving their addresses. And this solution is really fine until you realize that due to memory having crazy lot of digits, these addresses are usually longer than the number they represent. So in this case, instead of remembering 16 digits, 4 digits of health times 4 characters, you'd have to remember 160 digits, 10 per address times 4 digits times 4 characters. That's an issue because it would render our memory not only inefficient, but also completely useless. That's why we need a different approach. And here we come to the addresses and offset. What if we were to memorize only the address of the first object on our list? We could then just offset it by any number we want. For example, the programmer could just ask for any digit simply like this. Go to the initial address, then for the 4th number, just add 4 times the size of each number. In this case, 16, because we start the initial address and we add 4 times the size of our number, which is 4. 16.
Boom! We've gotten ourselves the 4th number on the list. Except, so those of you who were actually paying close attention might have realized that this isn't the 4th number. This is the 5th number. Because you see, in our lovely equation for getting the address of every, special item based on the index, if we want to get the first item, we actually have to input 0. So that's how it works. In order to get the nth item on the list, you just get the original starting point and the offset times the index. And that's all great and all, because you've learned a thing or two about how memory works. Except, why? Why am I making this video? It's silly, isn't it? I mean, with the apples and stuff, who's gonna think that? Well, there's actually a very important reason. Because you see, this person that was mentioning how the 3 apples actually was wrong. I mean, I know, shocker, right? Crazy. But they were wrong for a very different reason from any normal human being that would be wrong in this situation. They weren't wrong because they were anti-scientific or something like that. No, they were wrong because they saw a concept that was really often used in some form of science, and then they misunderstood the thing. They used it in a situation where it really shouldn't be used. And that's a really commonly found problem. Science gives us crazy lot of information, but in order to use it right, you have to understand how it works. So here's a reminder for all of you. Whenever you see some sort of scientific thing and you want to share it with your friends, first, please make sure you understand what it's actually saying. Because otherwise, this could lead to some problems. Problems which would be worse than miscounted apples. For now, that won't be it, because I should still mention I have a Discord server, I have a Patreon. Please do like, please do subscribe. Every single day I stream charity checkups, which is a series of live streams which I stream for charity, DBS Alliance, link in the description, https://megatwf/charity/ where you can go donate some charity and get a slice of pie for yourself. Once again, that's https://makeit.wtf/charity/ where you can go donate some charity, DBS Alliance and get a slice of pie for yourself. For now, that'll be it. Thank you everyone so much for watching and have a great day. This time for real, bye.